I run it. Nope. Huh. What the heck was that? Alright guys, so I got home, checked all the spark. I had a spark. I said, oh, it's going to be a carb issue. So I cleaned out the carb, checked everything. Carburetor's fine. So now I'm even more confused at that point. I ran through everything. It had pretty decent compression even. So I couldn't really figure out what the hell was going on. So what I did next is I pulled the jug and I pulled it out, and as soon as I saw the edge of that, I said, oh shit. And I looked, the jug's destroyed inside. This actually, something caught the transfer port and just destroyed everything. So I put a piece of a magnet end down in there, and just to see if anything was in there that was steel or something, you know. And it actually found a little tiny piece of steel wire. And when I pulled the pin, I knew exactly what it was. If you look, I pulled the other clip out, and this one is still in. Let's see if we can focus. There we go. If you see the end of it, the little tiny tab that sticks in, you grab with pliers, actually broke off, bounced around, and went through the motor. So apparently the edge of this pin, the very edge, if I could focus on it, it ate into the clips on both sides, like moving inside. I don't understand how the hell it did that. But apparently this pin moved around inside. The clips were still in and locked in the grooves, but the pin like ate into the part where it's bent up to grab it. It's weird. I don't know how to explain it. I've never seen anything like that before. But that is the one that failed. I can show you. And it is still in there. Ah, I hate. There we go. You can still see it in there. And yeah, that's a good shot. And it actually, just the end of it broke off inside. And the pin just rubbing into it. And that little piece of wire went through and destroyed it. So that's where we're at. I'm going to take this one. These are going to get scrapped. I'll probably melt these down, make them into aluminum ingots, add it to the pile. I got a new jug, new piston coming. I'm going to do a windowed one with a reed valve this go. And we're going to get this running shortly. Alright, so I'll be having a video on that. This new jug, when I get it, because I did that one and I did not do a video on the milling machine. But when we do the new one, I'm going to port it. And I'm going to go through the whole process of how I did the last one. And this one ran really freaking good. It just, once that pin went, killed it. So, put some paper towels in there just to keep any, dust and shit out of it for now. But that's where we're at. All right, peace.